Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and enabling Nearby Share under Google Device Connections. This makes your phone discoverable. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location so the service can negotiate a direct link. Once done, keep your screen awake to avoid interruptions. Make sure visibility is appropriate. Choose Everyone for quick pairing or contacts to limit recipients. This first step gets the devices talking. Now you're ready to open the file you want to share and start the send action. You pick the file and tap Share, then choose Nearby Share as the method. This initiates device discovery and shows available recipients. Once the target device appears, tap it and wait for them to accept. Sometimes a PIN or confirmation appears to verify identity. Choose the transfer type if prompted, photo, file, or link, and watch the progress indicator for speed and ETA. If you plan multiple files, queue them now so transfers proceed automatically, without repeated approvals. You finish by confirming the transfer completed and opening the received file to verify integrity. Once done, clear notifications and close the Share UI. If a transfer stalls, toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, turn Nearby Share off and on, then resend. This forces a fresh connection and resolves most glitches. Make sure both devices have sufficient battery and aren't in data saver mode. If problems persist, check Nearby Share settings and logs in Settings for detailed error hints. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.